In this video, I'll give you some tips to organize your life. First, people are like a combination lock. And when you have the right ingredients, the right sequence, then you have a successful life. For instance, every problem that you have, some other human has had a similar problem. To be in this world is to have problems. So you must focus on the solutions. Cook, then eat. Work, then play. Pay for it first, then put in the gasoline. Do it now, and you will be happy later. In 6 hours, you will need this, or in 12 hours, or tomorrow, you will need this or that. Prepare for it right now. My grandpa used to say, if I need to be at the Capitol fast, then I need to leave one day earlier. When he became a citizen of the United States, there was a ceremony, and you need to be there at 5 o'clock in the morning to make a line or something. Not for the ceremony, but for the actual immigration questioning period. Interview. So what he ended up doing was he rented a room at a hotel in front of the place he had to be at the next day, early in the morning. You need to plan ahead. Be prepared. Life gets better. People do help each other. I must believe that. I need so much help. God bless you and those that surround you. God bless you and those that surround you. See you in the next video.